Good morning, children. Today we are going to do a new chapter in English grammar, that is negative sentences. So, children, from the topic only you can understand that negative sentences means where we put not or no. Okay, we can also change positive sentence into negative sentences by adding just no or not. So, let's see how. Chapter 4, Negative Sentences. A sentence having not or no in it is called a negative sentence. Compare the following sentences. So children, we can see here there are 5 sentences. And let's change into negative sentences. Suppose it's written I am sad. So just by adding not, we can make it a negative sentence. Like I am not sad. We are tired. We are not tired. He is a liar. He is not a liar. The money was enough. The money was not enough. They were ready. They were not ready. So children, we have seen here how to change a positive sentence into a negative sentence by just adding not. Okay, but we have to take care one thing. We should learn where to use not. Because if we are writing not anywhere, so it will not make a correct sentence. It will be wrong. So what we have seen here that we have added not after the helping verb like am not, are not, is not, okay, was not, were not. So we have used not after helping verbs. So see here, when the verb is some form of be, that is, are, am, was, were, we put not after the verb to make the sentence negative. Now compare these sentences. He has some money. He has no money. She had a beautiful dress. She had no beautiful dress. We have a holiday today. We have no holiday today. So when the verb is have, has or had, we can see in these sentences, okay. So we use no to make the sentence negative. Here we will not say he has not money, he has not beautiful dress. Wrong. We have to also take care, children, where to use not and no. So here we have seen when has, had and have come, we have to use no. Now compare the following sentences again. She is skipping. So we can see two verb here. First is helping verb and second is the verb, okay. She is not skipping. They have arrived. They have not arrived. You can write in the short form also. She isn't. They haven't. Okay. He has got an umbrella. So here you will write he has not got an umbrella. See children, we have noticed there that wherever we were using has, have or had, we have used no. But here it's written has got. So it's a verb there. Has is also a verb and got also. So when you will see two verbs, then you have to use not. He has not got an umbrella. Neelu can run fast. Neelu cannot run fast. So you can also write he hasn't. Neelu can't. Okay, short. He will leave today. He will not leave today or he won't leave today. So children, when the verb is made up of two or more words, we put not after the first word to make the sentence negative like we have done here. He has got, so he has not got. Now compare these sentences again. These are command sentences, children. Close the windows, leave the room, sit down. These are command sentences. So only you have to ask do not. Like do not or don't close the windows. Do not or don't leave the room. Do not or don't sit down. So to make a command sentence negative, we just put do not or don't in the beginning of the sentence. Now formation of negatives. When you are using is, are, am, was, were, just add not after these verbs. Has, have, had. So just put has, have, had or no. After that, no. Verb made up of two or more words. Then not after the first word. Like we have read has got. So has not got. Okay, have got, have not got, like this. Commands only do not or don't in the beginning. Now let's make the following sentences negative. It will make you more clearer. His memory is sharp. So only we have to put not after is. His memory is not sharp. You can also write isn't. He has revised his lessons thoroughly. So we can see here two verbs, has and revised. So we will use here has not or hasn't. He has not revised his lessons thoroughly. I am satisfied with your work. I am not satisfied with your work. Water these plants daily. It's a command sentence, so we will write do not in the beginning. Don't water these plants daily. We can stand here and talk. We can't stand here and talk. See children, in some places I have used the short form, in some places I have written has not or had not, like this. So why? Because you can write in both, no problem. Write fast. Again, it's a command sentence, so don't write fast. Or you can also write do not write fast. Both are correct. Mr. Mehra is feeling comfortable today. Mr. Mehra is not feeling comfortable today. Children, after Mr. you can give dot, and sometimes you cannot give, because it depends, you're writing in British language or American language. So both are correct. This school has got an RO water plant. So you will write this school has not got again. Okay. Oh, it should be here. This school has not got an RO water plant, because here we can see two verb, has and got. Okay, so please write this school has not got an RO plant. I had kept those toffees for you. So I hadn't kept those toffees for you. These questions are difficult. These questions are not difficult. See children, suppose it was written like this school has an RO plant, then you would have written this school has no RO water plant, but it's written got, so please write has not got. Got the concept clear? If there will be no got, then you will write this school has no RO plant, but it is written got, so you will write has not got. Okay, so children, I hope you have understood what a negative sentence is. In my next video, I will make interrogative sentence. So kindly watch that video also. That's all for today, children. Thank you.